I'm Ian Hecox, a mediocre comedian and a terrible cook. I'm off to learn from the best kind of teacher there is, Nanas. Today's Nana is actually a grandpa. Bob is a family man who's gonna show me his special sauce. Bob?
Yes.
Hey, Ian. This is Sunday at Nana's. So, Bob, we're here in your kitchen. I'm seeing a lot of things that I recognize, but what the heck are we making?
We're making Boc Boc's pasta sauce today.
Can you back that up for a second? What's Boc Boc?
Well, my grandkids did not know how to call me Grandpa Bob, but they called me Boc Boc.
Bob seems easier to say than Boc Boc, but maybe
Oh,
that's just me.
they do it. Anyway, and these are the ingredients.
Okay.
So if you would take the knife and be careful.
Oh, gosh. I'm bad at this.
You're doing great.
There we go. There we go.
Do you used to work in the forest as a woodsman?
You think I've done any hard labor in my life? I grew up on a computer.
Oh. What cooking school did you go to?
YouTube?
Everything's cooked in a tube?
Everything's better in a tube.
Probably have enough. Now some onion
Trying to remember how the YouTube video told me to cut an onion.
with a knife.
Squeeze out my feelings.
Now, into this bowl, carrots, the onions, and the celery.
Okay.
Now, what we need here is seasonings. With a good sprinkle of the onion powder,
Okay.
some garlic salt,
Okay, because regular garlic wasn't enough, so.
some black pepper, some leaf oregano, some celery salt, and we're just getting warmed up.
Are you using all those seasonings?
Oh, yes.
Oh, my
this,
God.
This is Italian seasoning.
So this is not a recipe that you read in a cookbook.
You know, I really don't rely on cookbooks. Yeah, recipes from the heart. Here's some bruschetta seasoning mix.
Oh.
That's good.
Okay. Those veggies are looking quite seasoned, if I do say so myself. Okay. Smells good.
Add a little boiling water in there.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll just let that cook for a while.
You stay right there.
This is Marzano tomato pulp, and you can dump that into this large pot. And then this is the tomato sauce. With a helper like this, it's going to be terrific. And then the tomato paste. And stir it all together.
This is adequately stirred.
Good. And we're going to put some spices in there.
You are spice crazy.
Italian seasoning.
And then some of this.
No,
Oh,
that's good. Okay, give that a stir in there.
okay.
He's doing great. I'm going to get an apron.
Oh, yeah, I'd love an apron. What you got for me? I was look good in stripes. Thank you.
You got to look at him. Isn't he a handsome devil in that apron? You can put the basil
Okay.
in the sauce,
Oh, sure.
sprinkle it. Now, there's one more thing you need to do,
Okay.
and I will tell you, Ian, this is not for drinking. It's some wine to add to the sauce.
Do you ever do a little bit for the sauce, a little bit for you?
I have, but it affects the recipe for some reason. What I got here is about 1.5 pounds of ground turkey. And what we have here is an Italian sausage. And it gives it a nice flavor if you mix it in with the turkey meat.
Join your friend.
You know how to use your hands, don't you?
Not always for good things.
I gotta hand it to you.
Nice.
Take that platter,
Okay.
put it into the pan where that oil is heating.
Okay. You don't want to load this up with spices too?
No,
So just kind of
yeah, just
gently
just roll in.
Oh, yeah.
Now what I'd like you to do now
Okay.
is this.
Chop it up. Italian sausage, be friends with your turkey brethren. It's smelling real good.
Over here,
Ooh.
balsamic vinegar.
Okay.
And I just want you to give a little couple splashes on the vegetables.
On the vegetables. Okay.
Next, we add the mushrooms to
Okay.
the vegetables.
Great.
Now take the meat and add it to the sauce.
Okay. This is how you stay so healthy. You're lifting these heavy pans up every day.
I'm a panhandler from way back. Then I'd like you now to take the spatula and this pot, and it's kind of heavy, so I'll lift it.
All right. That's good enough.
Okay, now give it a big stir with the spoon.
Oh, that's looking beautiful. So many colors.
Now, most people would not understand my secret ingredient, sugar.
Everything's better with sugar. This is my favorite part of making spaghetti. You get to flip it. Yeah. Oh, dropped a little.
Not to worry.
And then just start tacking it, okay? Got it. This looks delicious. Okay, gotta get some of that meat sauce in there. This is really good. I totally get like why you would have the Italian sausage and the turkey together.
Being with you has been a lot of fun.
Yeah, now we get drunk.
Here's to you, buddy.
Say, Boc Boc.
Boc Boc.
Thank you, Bob.
Thank you, man.